Namaskar, I am your host Narayan Kar. Before I begin this video, please listen to this audio tape which has gone viral. This audio clip is about the conversation between Prashant Kishore and Lutyens Patrakar. In this audio, Prashant Kishore is confirming BJP's win in the West Bengal and the popularity of Modi to those fake media persons who day in and day out attack Modi and our assets, let it be army or jawans or anything in this country. So, first we will listen in and then I shall discuss about this video. There are two audio clips. Please listen in very carefully.
Why is Modi so popular in West Bengal? I mean, is it only because of polarization and that they identify him as a, what is it? Because it's not like we haven't seen, the performance both in central politics and in state politics where BJP has been in power. So what is it that is drawing West Bengal to him?
एग्जैक्टली प्रशांत, इसी से एक जुड़ा हुआ सवाल ये भी है कि एंटी इनकम्बेंसी इतना मैसिव इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस में भी मोदी के खिलाफ एंटी इनकम्बेंसी नहीं है
जी, क्योंकि जहां एक चीज आप देखें कि बंगाल में मोदी इज पहले तो एक बात है कि मोदी का एक कल्ट है जो कि बन गया है पूरे देश में, जो कि द डिग्री कुड वेरी, लेकिन 10%, 15%, 20%, 25% ऐसे लोग हैं जिसको मोदी में भगवान दिखता है, चाहे सही दिखे गलत दिखे वो एक अलग बहस का मुद्दा हो सकता है। स्पेशली जो यहाँ हिंदी भाषी है वो मोदी का सपोर्ट का कोर बेस है, कोर है। प्लस जो एंटी इनकम्बेंसी है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ है, सेंटर के खिलाफ है नहीं। और मोदी है पॉपुलर, यहाँ काफी पॉपुलर है। अगर आप लीडर का हम लोग सर्वे कर रहे हैं तो मोदी और ममता इक्वली पॉपुलर, विच इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग। मोदी इज वेरी पॉपुलर। यहाँ पे मोदी पॉपुलर इसलिए भी है, आप देखिए बंगाल ने बीजेपी का स्वाद अभी चखा नहीं है, तो वो एक फैक्टर है कि 30 साल 35 साल से जो लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो उनको लग रहा है कि बीजेपी कुछ ऐसा चीज है, कुछ ऐसा कर देगी जो कि हम लोगों को पहले अभी तक नहीं मिला है। तो लड्डू जो टेस्ट नहीं किया है वो वाली बात है कि उसको टेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसको लोग जाकर देखना समझना चाह रहे हैं, वो एक फैक्टर है। मोदी की मीटिंग्स में भीड़ आ रही है, उसका एक कारण ये कि मोबिलाइजेशन भी बड़े स्तर पे होता है, प्लस मोदी पॉपुलर भी है, इसमें कोई दो मत नहीं है। तृणमूल के खिलाफ गुस्सा है, वो एक फैक्टर है। पोलराइजेशन है, वो एक फैक्टर है, और मोदी की पॉपुलैरिटी है। ये तीनों चीज, उसके ऊपर से फिर बीजेपी की अपनी जो इलेक्टोरल मशीनरी है, लेकिन बेसिक ये तीन चीज ही है। पोलराइज एंटी इनकम्बेंसी अगेंस्ट तृणमूल, दैट हैज ओपन्ड द डोर फॉर तृणमूल बीजेपी, देयर एबिलिटी टू पोलराइज एंड SC votes.
Now you listen to this audio very carefully. This exposes the Lutyens Patrakar. They are holding the meeting in a very secret way and it raises a lot of questions. Please hear in.
Because people take money from both sides and then vote whoever they want to.
Okay, so by the way,
when one person was...
People are tweeting about this clubhouse thing and they're saying that Prashant Kishore along with other journalists, we have declared victory of Narendra Modi in West Bengal.
Is it open?
I don't know. I mean, somebody has just tweeted the screenshot on Twitter tagging me and other people and saying that we all have declared Narendra Modi's victory in West Bengal.
But who's done that?
Okay, so
okay.
Listen, there are people in this room.
Himanshu Jain.
No, Himanshu Jain, somebody else is reporting to Himanshu Jain from this room. If you keep an open room for everybody to join in and listen, you can't prevent people from tweeting. And
these things don't matter. Anyone can say anything, right? I mean, it doesn't make a difference.
I know, but this is often seen as evidence. And one more thing I just needed people to remember was that whatever you say on Clubhouse is recorded.
Yeah, that also I think all of us do.
No. Sanjay, not everything is recorded.
No, the Clubhouse keeps record.
So, friends, patriots, this is a very big story. It has many implications, including politics. I would not talk about this in this video because in the morning I have spoken enough of the political implications of this audio clip. Nevertheless, I was listening to this conversation very minutely between Prashant Kishore and the Lutyens media. What struck me most was a secretive kind of a meeting conducted by them, as though they are running a secret organization. At one point of time, you must have heard, there is one Arfa Khanum Sherwani cautioning the group about the conversation having gone public. Then there is a deafening silence in the room. Thereafter, a Supreme Court lawyer, Sanjay Hegde, warns the group that the conversation was getting recorded. Then there is another round of silence, but one Patrakar says, "So what?" And all of a sudden, we no longer hear anything from Prashant Kishore, and some others run away from the conversation. Then we see the images of the participants. We see images of one Rohini Singh, Prashant, and Ravish Kumar, who is wholly dejected at Prashant Kishore admitting BJP's win and the popularity of Modi and the inevitable win of BJP in West Bengal election. Another important thing to notice here is that these people have come together to discuss the possible defeat of Mamata Banerjee, their mascot, in a closeted meeting. I mean, this meeting cannot be called the meeting of journalists. What was Sanjay Hegde doing there? If this was an open meeting, they would have invited Republic TV, Times Now, and some of the YouTubers to participate in the meeting which they have conducted. So it is very appropriate to say this meeting was a clubhouse cabals meeting. Patriots, I humbly appeal to you, please understand this, the designs of this Lutyens media, who do not raise a word against Prashant Kishore, but pounce on any nationalist when they put forth the perspectives, similar kind of perspectives what Prashant Kishore had presented. They call us Godi media, they call us Bhaks. It is time, patriots, that these double-tongued people should be taught a lesson. They are very dangerous to the nation and our security. They run fake narratives and create disturbances in the country. They should be dealt with in an iron hand. The best way to deal with these people is not to subscribe to their television channels, newspapers and portals. That is enough to deal with this dirty media gang.